Good afternoon, everyone. So, today, long day. It's at the end here on a Tuesday. I decided to shoot this video of this knife right here. Okay, usual stuff, my typical sheath that I make, signed and dated on the back, all the, full welt and everything. But this knife is based on a Randall Model 20 Alaskan Skinner, and of course it's a little bit different, but I like the blade shape of that one, and I made that the same way. See the upswept blade? It's a hunting knife. It's for skinning, and it can be used for bushcrafting and regular camp stuff, but it's not made for that. This is a hunting knife specifically designed for hunters. Now, as you can see also there, oh, this is a cherry wood handle, by the way, which I don't put too many of those on my knives. It's usually the tiger maple is the most popular in the walnut, but cherry looks really nice too. So, but as you can see, it's got the 4 finger grooves on it, and these aren't cramped or anything. They fit really good. But again, this was based. It was that special edition one that they have on the Randall Knife site, and it also has stacked G10 black and red, and there's a piece of tiger maple in there too in between, and then of course the brass blade guard. The other thing about this is, yeah, when I was making this, a lot of the Randalls too, my finger just kept wanting to choke up on that. Okay, it just has a feeling like you need to, when you're working with it, you need to get your hand up higher on that blade as opposed to way back here. It'll work, but it just doesn't feel right. So I put that, it's called a finger choil. Weird name, but anyway, that's what it's called. It fits right there on your finger, and it grabs a hold with that jimping on the back. Okay, it keeps your thumb from moving. That's the whole idea. Anyways, a very comfortable handle. This knife is spoken for, by the way. And of course with the leather lanyard hole also. Not everybody likes that, but a lot of guys put them on to keep them from falling off or something like that. Anyhow, this is about a 5/32 blade. It's not really too thick. Again, this is meant for skinning, so the thinner the blade, the better it is for cutting. It makes a good fishing knife too, for small game processing, things like that. But it was designed for really heavy skinning, large game. Anyway, all right, so that's about it for that one. And here's the sheath again. And this one is definitely not one that I have available to custom order on my site. If somebody would like to have one of these, please join my wait list. All the information is on my website and here on my YouTube channel, how to get to it. And then request whatever knife you'd like to have, either this one or some other one. Time frames are pretty far out there right now, but the best way really is to join the wait list. Okay, so we really appreciate everybody, all the activity we've had on our YouTube channel here. We got all kinds of, I think we're a little over 400 now on our subscribers. Not a huge amount, but it seems to be growing every day. So thanks again. I got a lot more knives coming. Please like and subscribe if you would, and share the video if you want to. And tune back in again. We'll catch you in the next one. I got a lot more coming. Thanks again.